Oh, there we go.
Wait.
Oh, okay. Where are we?
Graduation.
Congratulations, Taylor. Welcome to the real world.
Nice graduation, bro. I'm proud of you.
Taylor, congratulations. I hope you do big things and go kill it.
Congratulations, don't be like me.
Congratulations.
All right, do it again. I didn't record that. You made it. How'd you guys all love her? Oh my god. There, get a picture with your friends. Hold on.
Take a picture from this angle here.
Yeah, stand that way.
Alright, one with all three in. Oh, there we go.
He's not throwing at his face. Don't get the feet. Don't get the
Everyone look over here at this camera.
Oops, sorry.
Show the eyebrow thing.
That's so old already. Okay, he wants to be. Okay, one with just us three, that.
Here, look here. Like this.
Yep, it gets worse.
It's like, it gets worse.
It gets worse from here.
Yep.
You're better off just
Time
staying
to
in
pay for all your stuff. It's true. There's one more thing I haven't done. Anticipation
What
got
are
me
you
crazy.
doing though? Yeah, wait, what is he
Should I
doing?
take this off?
Wait, what are you doing?
Huh? Just leave it.
Just go, do it.
Just do it.
Oh.
Oh!
Let me get two of those for now. I have to pay for parking first.
Oh, what do you pay? Where?
Over here. Ew.
Dylan, look. Dylan, look, a heart, look.
I touched those nasty ass bubblegum.
Dylan, what happened? She touched this nasty, but it was like long, bro. It was like it was disgusting slop, bro. It was rotten.
My hair got stuck on it. My hair is like this.
That's it.
That is a lot of turkey.
For real?
Yeah. Do you want me to cut it?
That's it. I got it.
Is Barbara like a big thing now?
Pretty big.
It's been for a while.
Yeah.
Really?
For the amount they charge.
Dude,
Dude, yeah.
there's so much. Hold it right there, guys.
Your place is gorgeous.
Think I was going on there like, oh yeah, look at me.
No, it didn't seem like that at all. You didn't even bring
Amazing, right?
Hi, Dylan. We do it at the fireplace and yeah, that goes up.
Yeah, phone makes no sunset.
I know.
Yeah, we don't want it like step that though. They have a good old time. Let's go walk, you and I.
Your mom's probably thinking, Dana's got on to make a fire.
For real. Like he won't survive. We can't love it. Both sides of the family.